Well, I was over on Nellis visiting Market Carburetors Only, so naturally I figured I'd head over here by the Speedway and go say hi to Spencer and Tony and show them what this thing should sound like. Now this is with accurate exhaust with the resonators and the mufflers, and it's actually starting to sound like it did before, so I'm probably not going to do anything to it. I was going to take it over to Performance and see if they could maybe tweak those back mufflers and maybe gut them out, straight pipe them or something, but no, I'm leaving it as is. So still got to work on a couple things, and I'm happy also to report the temperature gauge looks like it's working. I haven't had a chance to mess around or trace the wiring on the tach, but yeah, good to go. So there you go.